Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable face detection for photo mode in SJCAM C200. And to do this, first you'll need to watch our video on how to enter settings on this camera. It should be linked in the description. Now, switch between a different page. You can do this by clicking on the M button and holding it for a few seconds. Then there's a photo camera mode and you can change it to face detection, and when you enter that setting you can turn it on or off. There's also two different options, which is autophoto equals one face, autophoto equals two faces. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.